Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is John Alden Talatalo, and my opinion of the current state of governance in the Philippines reflects a mix of progress and per persistent challenges. While steps has been taken to promote transparency and public engagement, issues such as corruption, political dynasty, and inequality remain. This problem contradicts the Philippines Constitution, principles of accountability, democracies, and social justice, strengthening law enforcement, ensuring equitable distribution